Will be start in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, first of all, I must place on record my grateful thanks to the University Grant Commission for the work that they have done for the advancement of higher education. Full stop. They have done good work and in full cooperation with the Education Ministry. Full stop. This, I think, must encourage state governments to establish university grant commissions or committees in their respective states. Full stop. What the country needs most is the coordinated efforts of the autonomous university grant commission working in harmony with the state governments and university authorities. Full stop. Coordinated efforts are needed to bring about certain uniformity in the standards of university education. Full stop. Without that, our educational advancement is bound to suffer from various tensions and difficulties. Full stop. I do agree with my friend that the annual report under discussion is rather a dull report. Full stop. At least it is not as bright as the two previous reports were. Full stop. In the previous two reports, the University Grant Commission invited the attention of the nation to certain academic problems, to certain educational needs. Full stop. Unfortunately, in this report, the University Grant Commission confines its remarks mostly to what has been achieved in the field of university education under the guidance and with the assistance of the University Grant Commission. Full stop. New para. However, sir, it is not possible for me to agree with Mr. Sanatham that the University Grant Commission should not extend help to universities for the preservation of manuscripts. Full stop. Manuscripts are of great importance, so far as university libraries are concerned. Full stop. It is the duty of universities to preserve those manuscripts, and it is the duty of the University Grant Commission to extend to universities the necessary financial assistance for maintaining and preserving the manuscripts in good order. Full stop. New para. Also, it is not possible for me, sir, to agree with my friend that today universities are enjoying too much of autonomy. Full stop. I agree with the University Grant Commission, which 2 years ago remarked that freedom is vital for education and democracy, and I personally feel, sir, that on one place or the other, university autonomy and academic freedom are being restricted rather than being extended as they must be. Full stop. I do not think, sir, that a social purpose or a social value can be imparted in the teaching by a teacher through the imposition of restrictions on his freedom of thinking. Full stop. I feel that teachers need academic freedom for discharging their duties in an efficient way. Full stop. New para. If we take into consideration the affiliated college, we will notice that the teachers are subjected to such humiliating conditions that it is not possible for them to discharge their duties to their students, to impart to their students any sense of responsibility or any moral values in their lives, full stop. I therefore, sir, feel that it is necessary to be more careful about the preservation of academic freedom to teachers, full stop, new para. Sir, we are grateful to the Education Ministry and to the University Grant Commission for upgrading the salaries of teachers in the central universities, full stop. Yet a great disparity prevails in the salaries of teachers of central universities and state universities and affiliated colleges, and this disparity is causing a lot of heartburning and a lot of difficulties as one connected with education. I may say that there is not such a marked difference in the quality of teachers serving in the central universities and in the state universities and in affiliated colleges as to justify the great disparity in the salaries of teachers of these institutions, full stop. I feel, sir, that we must keep in our mind the remarks of the University Grant Commission made in their earlier annual report with regard to teacher salaries, full stop. We are not only to provide adequate salaries, we are not only to teachers of affiliated colleges but also to teachers of secondary schools, full stop. We must remember, sir, that a great majority of students study in affiliated colleges and the quality of education is largely determined by the quality of work that is done in affiliated college, full stop, no para. For improvement in the quality of teaching, improvement in living condition is also very necessary, full stop. The University Grant Commission has invited our attention in its report to the appalling conditions in which teachers have to live, full stop. But unfortunately, the University Grant Commission has to admit that it does not seem likely that we shall be able to make anything more than the marginal contribution towards this practical need, full stop. I feel that the University Grant Commission should pay more attention to the solution of this problem than has so far been paid by it and then Education Ministry, and that the government should not judge funds to the University Grant Commission for making adequate arrangements for improving living conditions of teachers who are expected to train the citizens of the country, full stop. Sir, in the University Grant Commission report, it is maintained that rupees 12,000 should be guaranteed to every affiliated college for the welfare of the teaching staff, and that efforts should be made to teaching staff provide them with quarters, and that too in the vicinity of the college where they teach, full stop.